lods! Good afternoon! Grabe, we are starting the vlog very late today. Ayan. It is past 3 p.m. na guys. And we are heading out to SMC side kasi they are on sale. May sale, and then it is, oh look, a good boy Miguel. Lola ni po si Miguel, and it will be Ate Sashi's birthday soon, so we are, wow, sorry for that. We are going to buy gift para ni Ate. Yan, I think most of the items there are 10 to 20% off, then there are also 50% off, pero selected items lang. So yun yung pupuntahan namin today. Miguel trick. Sige na. Wow, Miguel. Hindi na ba? Kanina nag-handshake si Miguel kasi merong ice cream si Baba, tapos gustong kumain ni Miguel ng ice cream. Pero hindi pwedeng kumain si Miguel ng ice cream kasi chocolate ice cream. Wait, Maui! Hello, Maui! Ayan si Awi sa labas. Uy, kakit-cute anong Maui. Dali, nakalabas na kami. Hello. Hi, te. Sashi is wearing glasses na. Parehas na sila ni Kanio, monkey. Baba is also complaining, no? Nag-complain siya na filler. No, ni Ana guys siya pa ba, no? Na she was complaining na when she turns her eyes daw, sumasakit yung
round may mong eyes, ay kana kanang eyeglass.
Yeah. Pag ganyan na ng eyes niya, masakit daw yung ulo niya. But we are going to soon papacheck up si Baba sa eyes niya kasi better mas maaga kasi baka hindi maka-answer si Baba kasi hindi niya, di ba ba, no? Hindi niya nakikita yung...
Di ka klaro sa blackboard, Bim? Nagdi kayo.
Look at Ate.
Kung di ka maklaro, di gan maklaro. Kanang blurred siya, di na maklaro. Ang klaro gyud. Kana asin klaro
di
ba
niya Ate yung glasses ni guys.
Ang di maklaro, di na gyud ka kaklaro.
Hi. Klaro oy. Kamay. Ansa ba? Pag sure ba oy? Wala kadako ang traffic. Traffic na kasi everybody is going to SMC side kasi nga it's sale. Hello, nandito kami sa SM. We are buying sa sale si Baba. 599? Grabe.
599 XL.
Sure?
Very big.
Wala yung size ni Ate. Oh. Ayan na yung cart namin guys, but we are going to fit pa. Nanakay mo ba? Kanain mo, ha? What about you? We're sa fitting room. Kami tatlo. Oh, serious po guys, Ate? Ayan si Baba. Oh. Mostly t-shirt lang, marami kasi mura lang yung t-shirt. Tapos gusto namin ng t-shirt, di ba ba, no? Ate, no? You like t-shirt, di ba? Sige natin. This is mine. Ayan, tapos sa likod. This is my second one. Ayan. Tapos kay Kababa. Ano ba? Wow! Nice ba, no? Di mo ate. Ito is work of bird. Manega na yung kod. Ay! Work of bird. Yan. Wait lang. Wait lang.
Wala na siya, pocket na diri.
That is Ate's outfit, your third outfit, kang Baba outfit. Ano ba? Yay! Pakita ito ba? Yes, that is Baba's second outfit. Na? Si Ate. Last outfit ni Ate. Hindi ko na na-film yung isa. Ang daming outfit ni Ate. Kasi malapit na ang birthday ni Ate. Yay!
Next year pa ba?
Ah? Uy, what happened to you? Why are you wearing Ate's glasses? No, filler kay Baba. Time ni ate. Finally, ate is eating. Ano sa dati? Cheese.
Pwede po tangan.
Of course, and baba. Mine is open. Yeah, chicken. Salami. And a lot of fries. Second round ni Baba ng double cheeseburger. Grabe, Baba sila. Grabe. Aftermath. Guys, we're going home na. Yan si Baba and we're done shopping. Ayan na yung shopping namin. Tapos biglang nakita ni ate yung guidance counselor. Na-remember niya yung time na she was crazy. Yung ayaw niyang pumasok sa room kasi may mumu. Tapos kasama niya si Anma mag-stud sa classroom. Di ba ba? Ganun din ka ba? Baba was so small that time because ate was only grade 2. Kana kay go home na ta. Kasi mong na-remember.
6 si ate naka. Siya.
Ha? Nakaihi asa.
Sa skulahan.
Oh good.
Mag-grade
Uy! Uy! Hi! Uy, anak. Grabe kayo.
Orot ito ilan na to.
Kapto Jud, grabe kayo eh. Nasa bahay na kami guys and grabe ang lakas-lakas ng ulan. When we got out, ang lakas pala ng ulan. And nung medyo malapit na kami, mas lumakas yung ulan and unfortunately ako yung magbubukas ng gate and I am soaking wet but grabe. I haven't changed yet. Gusto ko na sana mag-change but I need to feed the dogs kasi hindi pa sila nakakain and it's already 8:30. Gutom na sila and ang daming kinain ni Miguel. I gave him twice kasi nakulangan siya and he was still licking his dish. Kaya as in, tingnan nyo, as in simot na simot. First time in forever na as in wala nang naiwan yung dish ni Miguel. Grabe, ang lakas pa rin ng ulan, but maganda na din para at least malamig ngayong gabi sa pagtulog, diba? So, I'm just going to change my clothes, guys, and wash my face. Hindi na ako maliligo kasi I'm so tired already. I'll just wash my face and change his clothes kasi grabe, ang basa-basa na ng ko. Kasi ako ngayong nagbukas ng gate. So, yan. And thank you so much for always tuning in and I hope you have a wonderful day, a great day as always, and always remember to be nice, be kind, and keep that smile. Thank you always for watching and we will see you on our next video. Good night!